Hello guys, it's Tracy and welcome to Scratch Kitchen. We are going to make honey lime chicken. Now in here I have a tablespoon of, I'm using sesame oil because that's what was in front of me. I have 2 pounds of chicken thighs. It's a chicken breast. In here is a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. In here is the rest of the juice along with the honey, lime juice, tamari sauce, and I still gotta get the cornstarch. Yeah, that's where we're at today. I still gotta get the cornstarch. I'm actually gonna put my book over on my wonderful metal thing here. Let's see, how much cornstarch do we need? 2½ teaspoons. Found it. What do you know? It was easy. So it's 2½ teaspoons to that mixture. Take the top off. This is why I keep these little containers. You get like little individual servings of cookies and stuff. Always scrape it off. Turn the heat down. And you know what, if I use my brain, no, wait a minute, that wouldn't have worked anyway. I was thinking if I use my brain, I would use a 1½ teaspoon measuring spoon, but it would still throw me off. That's good enough. Alright, let's get cooking and I'll walk. On the chicken, the salt, pepper, garlic powder. Shake this up again. I'm just going to get this chicken browned off and just till it's good and cooked. Oh my god, it smells so delicious already. And I just started cooking it. What? Teenagers.
Why such a big pan?
It's a walk.
The cat is walking.
Huh?
Never mind.
I'm gonna walk you in a minute. Yes, this is real life here, people. This isn't your Kardashians with 100 different nannies for every different situation. Now, I'm going to keep stirring this. I'm going to turn it up a little more. And just kind of keep stirring it. It smells so good. Now, Karrie Truman, she serves this over rice. Now, I'm going to serve it over vegetables. Because I don't want to get my rice cooker out. And all I got to do is heat up the veggies and we're done. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to throw them in. And this is about done. This chicken is getting close to being done. You don't want to overcook chicken. That's so easy to do. If you do, you'll know it because it'd be like trying to chew on your flip-flops. I forgot, I put garlic powder on this too. And when I froze it, I put a little bit of Chinese seasoning on it. Chinese spice. Between them all, it's, oh my God, it's the thing with woks is you have to keep the food moving. My best thing I would love more in the world is a cast iron wok. Oh my gravy. That would be awesome. Cast iron because they hold the heat so well. Okay, this is just about done. Now, you put a 1/4 cup of the pineapple juice. I know. Now, I did some looking on her site for this recipe, and a lot of people said that they were kind of put off at the ideal of pineapple in a savory dish. But it wasn't too sweet at all. Because you had the salt and the tamari sauce. You got the honey, the salt, pepper, and the garlic here. Well, she used garlic salt. I don't have garlic salt, and I'm not going to buy it special for one thing. And I always have garlic powder. And I always have a type of salt around. Alright, now you just cover it. Let the meat absorb the pineapple juice. Yeah, hey, work with what you got, not what you want. I'll bring you back when it's time to add the juice, the sauce, and the pineapple. Alright guys, it is now time to add the sauce. God. Put it in there. Now, I did cheat. I did take a little piece of the chicken to try it. So far, so good. Now, what I'm going to add, because these are frozen, is your generic vegetable noodle stir-fry starter. It's just egg noodle, broccoli, carrots, celery, green peppers, mushrooms, onions, and red peppers. So, it is basically an Asian style mix. Instead of having rice, you could replace that with the noodles. But it's going to be delicious. Alright, we're going to mix. I'm going to let the sauce get mixed all in, get settled. And I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright guys, this is it. How, let me get you to see, beautiful does this look? It's kind of hard to tell. You got the mushrooms, you've got the broccoli, the pineapple, and yes, I am going to use chopsticks. It's been a while, but you know what? I thought it was going to be sweet. I thought it was going to have real heavy lime taste, but it doesn't. It is pretty damn good, I have to say. The noodles are nice. They really carry the flavor of the sauce. You don't get too much sweet. You don't get too much saltiness. Just a nice balance. Whoops. What, Papa? I got another set in there. Anyway, this is definitely something I will make again. Karrie Truman, this is delicious. This is my version of it. I like the vegetables in it. I will see you guys later. There'll be Wednesday, Thursday. The Thursday I'll do 2 more.